Hi students. So today I'm going to start with quite an interesting topic. So let us enter into the session. What is the topic is about motion of the earth. I have quite a questions before entering into the subject. Have you ever wondered what happened to sun in the night? And where is the moon during daytimes? How does actually day and night occurs? Does anyone knows? If you know, please comment me in the comment section, students. So, let me tell you that see this GI file over here, right? Can you actually see the one part of the earth gets the sunlight and another part of the earth does not get the sunlight? So therefore, where the sunlight occurs, we experience daytime, and the other side we experience nighttime. Here it's day and over here it's night. Okay students, so this is called as rotation. This is called as rotation. Okay, so you got to know what is rotation is actually. And let me tell you another concept. The axis of the earth. What is axis actually is? You can see a line here. You can see a line here. It is just an imaginary line. You cannot find axis actually existing in the earth. It is just an imaginary line. And it makes an angle of 66.5 degree. It makes an angle of 66.5 degree, and you can see here 23.5 degree, right? So if this is 23.5 degree, this particular line, you can see this is 23.5 degree over here. You can see here, right? And this is 66.5 degree. That is from here till here. It is 66.5 degree. Okay. With its orbital plane. What is orbital plane? You can see an orbital plane here. You can see an orbital plane over here. The plane formed by the orbit is known as orbital plane. The earth receives light from the sun due to spherical in shape. If earth would have been in square shape, all the places would have got the same amount of light, right? But it is not so. Because it is spherical in shape, what is happening here is it is getting the sunlight. Unevenly it is distributed. Okay? And then you can see here there is a circle over here. There is a circle over here, right? This circle is called as circle of illumination. The circle is known as circle of illumination. This circle divides the day and night of the globe. And this circle is not equal to the axis. You can see I said you about 66.5 degree, right? So that is different, and the circle of illumination is different. Okay, and for completion of one rotation, the earth takes 24 hours, and that period is called as earth day. The period is called as earth day. That is 24 hours. Okay, this is the daily motion of the earth. Every day we get day, and next night appears, and again day, right? This happens daily. What would happen if earth did not rotate? Can you imagine? You would have been in a continuous warmth in one particular region, and the other region would remain in darkness and would be freezing cold all the time. The life would have been existed. Do you think so? In this extreme condition, the life would have been existed. I don't think so, my dear students. So you got to know what is rotation, what is orbital plane, and what is circle of illumination, and what is earth day. Okay students, let me enter into a next motion, that is revolution. What is this revolution. See, as you know, Earth rotates around the sun, as I said you earlier, right? So that time is called as revolution. What is revolution is the rotation around the sun for 365 and half day, a quarter day, to revolve around the sun. We consider a year consisting of 365 days only and ignore this 5 hours 48 minutes and 46 seconds, right? This 6 hours is saved every year and are made to make one day. Remember, 6 into 4. So for 4 years, the surplus day is added to a month of February. So 6 into 4 is 24 and it becomes a one day and it is added into February. So therefore, in February, we have 29 days instead of 29 days instead of 28 days, and we call such year as a leap year. In this year, a year consists of 366 days. Got it, students? So because of this revolution, the seasons occur. So let us learn how does the season occur in our future classes. I think this video was quite helpful for you and you got to know how day and night occurs and what is rotation, what is revolution, what is circle of illumination and about the leap year. Thank you so much, students.